Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here and this is yet another unboxing video, and this time around we have the Samsung's latest mid-range phone, the Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime. So this phone was released a couple of days back and this is available exclusively on Amazon. So there are two variants available for this device, a 4GB RAM variant which is priced 14,999 and a 3GB RAM variant which has 32 gigs of storage which is priced 12,999. So there's the only difference, the RAM and the storage differs. So other than that, this device is a mid-range phone which will compete with some of the other smartphones like the Xiaomi's Mi A1, Moto G5s Plus, the Honor 7X and other devices in the sub 15K price segment category. So this is yet another smartphone in the On series from Samsung. So this is the box packing. So you can see Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime, and we have the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. It has a 13 megapixel rear camera as well as 13 megapixel front camera. Both are f-stop 1.9, and this comes with Samsung Mall feature. So Samsung Mall is a new app wherein you can upload a picture or scan a picture, and the app will find out where you can buy this the particular item from online store. So that is one of the features. Then it comes with the fingerprint sensor, 64-bit octa-core chipset. It's a Exynos 7870 octa-core chipset, 3300 mAh battery, 5.5-inch Full HD display, and it is a TFT LCD panel. And we get dual SIM cards, and this is the make for India device. So 64GB storage variant, and as usual we get the notification that it's India SIM card only. That means you have to activate this device first using an Indian SIM card and make calls for around 5 minutes. Only after that you can insert any other country SIM card. So that's the reason India SIM card only is mentioned here. So that's all on the box. Now let's get started with unboxing. So now opening up the box, you can see the Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime on the top. Let's just take this out and peel off these stickers. So this variant looks quite similar to the J7 Pro which was released last year. So the design wise it looks like the J7 Pro. We will be testing out in detail to see how good the performance is. So let's just peel off all these things. So design wise, you can see it comes with a metal unibody construction. The power button on the right side, you can see the speaker unit on the right side, and on the left side we have the volume rocker keys, and also we have the dual SIM card slot along with the micro SD card expansion slot. It's a dedicated SD card slot, and we have a 13 megapixel rear camera on this device. So that's the camera. We have an LED flash as well, and on the front panel you get again a 13 megapixel camera. We have a fingerprint scanner on the front panel, and the back and the multitasking option. So that's the device. Now let's see what else comes inside the box. We'll just boot this device in the meantime. So opening up, you can see the quick start guide and the mention of how the warranty is. You can see that it's available in English as well as Hindi. There is also warranty information, the SIM ejector pin. Then we have this adapter. So this is the standard adapter. 5 volt 1.55 ampere is the output rating, so no fast charging. And we have the standard USB cable. So it's a standard micro USB charging cable, so no USB type C port. So that's all inside the box. Now let's boot the device. So that's the Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime. So we have just booted the device, and let's first go to the settings panel and see the options. So let's just go to settings, and here you can see almost similar options we have seen on any Samsung smartphone. So about phone, you get to see the device information. So let's just go to the software part, the software information. So Android 7.1.1 and Samsung Experience version is 8.5. So the version we have has a 4GB RAM, and it's powered by the Exynos 7870 octa-core chipset, and we get a 13 megapixel camera and a 13 megapixel front facing camera. So this is the UI, and one of the features is the Samsung Mall available on this device. So let's just open the Samsung Mall, and here you can see that it comes with different categories. You can shop from different, you can see Amazon is there, other electronic stores or e-commerce sites are included. And if you want to take a picture of particular objects, say for example if you just take a picture here, so you can see we just taken a picture and it showed some results, but they're not pretty accurate. You can see that it's showing some other models like the J7 Max which we mentioned here. So that's how it works. So even without searching, I mean using the camera, you can search for different products from this store. So that's the Samsung model available. Then let's go to the camera app. So we'll just open the camera. So this is the camera app, and it does come with some really useful options. You can see the full HD recording, 4:3 aspect ratio, and these are the options available. So let's just go to the some of the stickers available. So these are some of the stickers available, and we have this full view turned on. Then this is the selfie camera as well, so you can take some really good selfies with this. So if you just swipe from the left, you can see different modes are included. HDR Panorama Pro mode is included, and here we have some additional filters included. So let's just take a capture here. So that's the capture we have taken. Here are some of the samples which we have taken with this device after unboxing the Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime. So the 13 megapixel camera is an f-stop 1.9, so that should be able to produce some really good images. We'll be also doing a detailed camera review of this device, including the selfie camera, which is again a 13 megapixel shooter with f-stop 1.9 aperture, and we'll be posting the detailed camera review pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. Now the phone also comes with a 3300 mAh battery. That's a quite good capacity, and we'll also be testing the battery life in our detailed review. So overall this device feels quite good. We'll be also testing out some of the sensors which generally Samsung skips, so we're not really sure about whether all the sensors are included, so we'll be updating that in our FAQ video. So as of now, this device definitely looks quite good. It's a metal unibody construction, and looks quite good. The features are quite interesting as well. The display is a TFT panel. It's not an AMOLED panel, or the traditional AMOLED panels which Samsung ships for the J series. It's not an AMOLED panel, it's a TFT panel. The display definitely feels slightly washed out, but we'll be testing the display in the coming days. So that was a quick unboxing and hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you plan to buy this device, this is available exclusively on Amazon. We'll be sharing the link in the description of this video. So that's it for this video. This is Norman signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.